This is INFINIX Zero 30, and today I'll show how you can run or perform an initial system setup on this device. So first, as you can see, we need to select the language for our setup configuration process as well as the system language. So I'll go with English United States. You go with whatever you see fit. Here, select your country or region that it is located in. Now you can insert the SIM card and set up the cellular preferences, or you can skip this step and leave it for later. The same can be said about the Wi-Fi connection. It is not mandatory, you can skip it if you do not want to do it now, or you might as well connect to the Wi-Fi network, that's up to you. Here, read all those terms of use, privacy policies, and everything that needs to be read. Then, acknowledge that you have read them and agreed to the terms above. Here, set up the Google services that you would like to have. Now you can lock your screen, or you can skip the step and do that later on, or do not do it at all. That's once again up to you. You can, on the mobile cloner stage, you can transfer your data and files from an older device or the data backup that you have, but I do not have any, so I'll skip this step. Here you can select the system navigation type between buttons and gestures, and once the gestures are selected, you can also see the gesture tutorial to see what gestures will do what. And, well, that'll be it. The system has been initialized, and now you can start using it. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.